bakit kaya hindi na lang i-incorporate to sa ticket? Because they do not know how to do it. Punta na kaming lounge. So ito siya. We're here at Narita. Dayan. Hiningal ako. Ayaw niya mag-update. So ako na lang. Ito na. Going to immigration. Done with immigration. Tagal tsaka mainit. Punta na kami baggage claim.
There is a bus and train.
Riding the bus on the way to Shinjuku. Arigato. Bola nga. Sakit ulo. Hindi pa kasi kumakain. Sarap. Here at the hotel. Off to have dinner. It's 10:15 Japan time. Sakit ulo niya. So hanap lang kami ng makakain. Do grocery and then we go back here. We're walking around Shibuya. We'll have dinner. No itinerary. Gahanap lang. English menu. Hindi namin alam paano umorder. So, ano gagawin natin? Manghuhula. Wala lang. Siya na bahala.
There's grilled mushroom with butter, salted squid with tomatoes and butter,
Okay.
grilled foil wrapped garlic.
Okay. Okay lahat. Wow. Appetizer. Egg.
Butter and egg.
Butter and egg.
Like it, kailangan.
Yan yung squid ink. Tsaka hindi ko alam. Just butter. Walang kanin.
May stand.
Okay. Ano?
Masarap naman, pero parang meron pang mga mas masarap sa. Pero okay na siya i-try.
Meron pa kami.
Kakaiba eh.
Meron pa kami yan. O, kain na.
Sikat dito.
Normal fried rice. We're going back to our hotel. Umuulan. Grocery.
Koala.
Dessert ice cream.
Yakult. Want a koala?